Namaskar. We often take care about our heart. We often take care about our liver, lungs, kidney. But one organ we have not given importance to. It is not there in our mind. Very often I feel that people don't even know about this, and that is our spleen. This one organ spleen is silently doing many critical functions in our body. It purifies your blood like kidney. It produces blood cells like bone marrow. It can even store blood. It fights infection like immune system. It balances internal body fluid and also participates in digestion. Spleen is an all-round organ and it reduces the stress of all the other organs. It is a supportive organ in the times of emergency. It is like a friend in need and friend indeed. In Chinese traditional medicine, this organ spleen is given highest importance. They even consider that spleen is associated with enthusiasm and a house for intellect. If spleen is not looked after, then it can cause many trouble. Weak spleen can cause sadness, fatigue, lack of immunity, lack of enthusiasm. It can bring lack of digestion, poor digestion, and above all, it can give you a feeling of defeat. So, this organ is not just associated with physiological benefits but also with a psychological benefits. Some even consider this to be a laughter organ. This important organ is located in the upper left of our abdomen and it is the size of our closed fist. But we hardly pay attention to its health. So here are few ways with which you can detoxify your spleen and keep your spleen in a healthy condition. Number 1, certain herbs really works excellent in keeping your spleen healthy. Among the herbs, tulsi, triphala and turmeric works excellent on its health. Another is natural sweet foods which are excellent for health. So they are carrots, grains, cabbages. They are naturally sweet. Sweet doesn't mean refined sugar or any sweet product cooked. What we are talking about is natural foods. Along with these things, pumpkin seeds and winter squash are excellent. Third, you must know the foods which you should avoid. Avoid frozen foods, cold drinks and raw fruits. Anything which is cold and frozen should always be avoided. You should always consume food which is warm, which is fresh, and that would be very healthy for spleen. Last, finally, yoga techniques. Among yoga techniques, Yoga Mudra, Bhujangasana, Pranayam number 4, they really directly affect our spleen. In Yoga Mudra, we are trying to give some compression, intra-abdominal compression. In Pranayam number 4, it really relaxes all the organs which are there in the abdomen. In Bhujangasana, it really helps in giving a good stretch to your abdomen. And all these three things become very important for spleen. So, take care of this forgotten organ, this neglected organ. We should start taking care. We should start seeing that we follow all these things to help our spleen. After all, it is such an important organ, such a friendly organ, such a useful organ that we should think about that organ also along with all the other organs. Take care. Namaskar.